It is question number 3. In a certain college, 4% of boys and 1% of girls are taller than 1.75 meters. Furthermore, 60% of the students are girls. If a student is selected at random and is taller than 1.75 meter, what is the probability that the selected student is a girl? Let E1 is a event that the selected student is a girl, and E2 is a event that the selected student is a boy. Now E is a event which occurs with E1 and E2. E is a event that if a student is selected at random is taller than 1.75, means E is a event that the selected student is taller than 1.75 meter. Now what we have to find? If a student is selected at random and is taller than 1.75 meter, means it is given that the selected student is taller than 1.75. It is given. And what we have to find? What is the probability that the selected student is a girl? Means we have to find E1. It is the event that the selected student is taller than 1.75 meter is given, and we have to find that it is a girl. Then by Bayes theorem we have it is plus into probability of E by A2. There are only two events, then it is only two term. Now what is probability of E1? What is E1? E1 event that the selected student is a girl. Furthermore, 60% of the students are girls, means probability of selecting a girl is 60 by 100. Then probability of selecting a boy is 40 by 100. Now probability of E by E1. E by E1 means if E1 is given and we have to find the probability of E1 is given, it means the selected student is a girl and it is found to be taller than 1.75, means a girl is taller than 1.75. We have 4% of boys and 1% of girls are taller than 1.75. Then for girl it is 1%, and for boy it means a boy is selected and he is taller than 1.75, means there are 4% possibilities, 4 by 100. Now put this value in this term. We have probability of even means 60 by 100 into E by even 1 by 100, even 60 by 100 into 1 by 100 plus 40 by 100, 4 by 100. Now it is equal 60 by 60 plus 160, then it is equal 60 by 220, and it is 3 by 11, which is required answer.